Alright, for episode 2, we start off by giving the head supervisor some love. Yeah, good girl. The focus for today will be getting the caliper off. Alright, go lay down, sweetheart. As you can see, I've removed the bolts, so the caliper will rotate with the wheel, but as you can see, the brake rotor is so gummed up with brake fluid, it's sticking and preventing the bike from moving. So let's go ahead and take off this cap. Sometimes these stick. It's dissimilar metals, steel and aluminum, so 5/16 maybe? Yay, it's a little loose, but it'll work. So, alright, we'll go ahead and unscrew that. Athena. Get it out, get a finger on it. Okay, pins out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go under here and try and pry the brake pads out. I've not done this before, so I cannot guarantee. Alright, where we're at, the pads are being difficult and sticking. They don't want to pry down that way, so I'm going in there, and you see that little gap? I'm taking the screwdriver and banging on those ends, and hopefully this brake pad will come loose. Zoom you out some. So now that I've got it that far, I'm going to take the pry bar, set it up, smack that pad out, and I need both hands, so I'll catch you guys after it's done. And wham bam, just like that, brake pad drops out. Man, look how nasty that one is. There's the inside pad. Both of those are no good, but with those out, hopefully now, voila, got the caliper off, and now I can actually move the bike around to where I need it to sit to continue to work on. And man, look at all that goop. That's just all brake fluid. That's nothing else. That's brake fluid. Alright, and since I do have the hanger, we'll go ahead and slip it into place, and then we'll hang that back up there so that the caliper is not resting on the hose. And as you can see, it's outside the disc, so now I can actually move the bike around, and since I know what the pads look like, I can start looking for a replacement caliper, which ironically enough should be very similar to the ones used on the Honda Rebel 250. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Let's get the bike into its new spot and start the next episode.
Like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends.